Ever since I was a small child, I've been interested in people. What makes them tick? How they operate, their emotional nature, what motivates them, what stops them, and what allows them to thrive. For more than 2 decades, I've worked hands-on with thousands of individuals, founders, leaders, and teams focused on how humans function under pressure. I teach nervous system regulation and how to achieve sustainable success so individuals and teams can stop working against their biology and start working with it. As a speaker and facilitator, I work with leaders, HR teams, and organizations towards sustainable performance and genuine cultural change. My work is grounded in one conviction: when people understand their biology, everything changes. Here are the roots to some of your biggest organizational challenges. Burnout has become an epidemic. 66% of all workers feel burned out, and these are just the ones who recognize and acknowledge it. Employees of all ages and types are experiencing the impact of stress, fatigue, and mental health challenges. We have to understand and start treating the cause of burnout so we can stop managing the symptoms. And nervous system regulation is at the core of shifting and preventing it. Communication, empathy, and relationship skills have all been severely impacted by the state of our world. More employees are prone to reactions, miscommunication, and conflict. Teamwork and productivity are suffering. Innovation and creativity are being stifled. We can't rely on quick fixes or band-aids anymore. We need to start teaching nervous system regulation and communication skills that make effective leaders. Psychological safety is the foundation of every sustainable, high-performing culture. But genuine safety isn't built through enforced programs and policies. It has to be practiced and truly felt. Safety is a nervous system state, something the body either registers or doesn't. You can't perform safety. This work gives leaders and teams the biological understanding and practical tools to build safety from the inside out. The key to presenting around sensitive topics like burnout, mental health, or psychological safety is understanding how to bridge organizational operations with individual biology so that your team feels engaged enough to leave with insights and practical tools they can use immediately. Over the last 2 decades, I've learned what makes people tick and how to take complicated issues and break them down into accessible topics that educate and shift something real. Is your organization ready? Let's talk.